Guys, welcome back to my channel English with Simreen, and welcome to today's video. In today's video we will be doing some solved questions, which is maybe a part of the comprehension check, as well as the question answers and the back exercise that is related to the chapter. The three questions, in case you have missed out the explanation of the video, you can see using the link that is given in the description box. So without any further ado, let's get started. So basically these questions that are listed here, the comprehension checklist questions, are those questions which are given in between the chapters, which have to be done in order for the concept to be clear. Okay, the first question is, why did the king want to know about the answers of these three questions? The king wanted to know the answers of the three questions because he thought if he knew the answers of the questions, he would never fail. Now you have to mark the correct answers in the sentence. Messengers were sent throughout the kingdom. Why the messengers were sent throughout the kingdom? To announce a reward for those who answer them well or who know the answer of these questions. Okay. So now you have to complete the following sentences by adding the appropriate part of the sentences that is given in the boxes. Many wise men answered the questions, but their answers were so varied that the king was not satisfied. Someone suggested that the king should be a council of wise men to help the king act to the right time. Someone else suggested that the king should have a timetable and follow it strictly. The king requested the hermit to answer the three questions. The king washed and dressed the bearded man's wound, but the bleeding would not stop. Now you have to answer these following questions, the part of the working from the text, not the part of the back exercises. Why was the king advised to go to the magicians? Magicians look into the future, so in order to look into the future and do right thing at right time, the king must go to magicians. In answer to the second question, whose advice did the people say would be important to the king? According to people, the most important people were counselors, priests, doctors and soldiers. What suggestions were made in answer to the third question? The people said that science, fighting or religious worship was the most important thing for the king to do. Did the wise men win the reward? If not, why? No, the wise men did not win the reward. They did not win because the king was not satisfied by the various answers he got. How did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? The king and the hermit saw a man running towards them in a wounded condition. As he reached a bit forward, he fainted. Without even thinking, the king and the hermit checked his wound and cleaned it. But the bleeding won't stop. So they redressed the wound and provided him water and lay inside the hermit's hut, you can write. Who was the bearded man? The bearded man was the king's enemy. Okay, and why did he ask for king's forgiveness? The king, without thinking for a second, helped the stranger who was wounded. He was so impressed by the king's humility and he asked for forgiveness. The king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show forgiveness? To show forgiveness, the king sent his doctors to heal, as well promised to give back to the man his property. What were the hermit's answers to the three questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you think you like the most and why? Okay, the answers to the various questions by the hermit. So these are the answers. Answer number 1. The right time to begin something is now. The most necessary person is the person who is or are with you at a particular moment, that is at the now moment. The most important thing is to do good with the person that you are with presently. I like the third answer the most because it connects me to God. We all are sent in the world to do good. Now there are questions relating to the speaking and writing section. Imagine you are king. Narrate the incident of your meeting the hermit. The wise men answered the question, but I was not satisfied with the answers. One day I decided to go and meet the hermit. As I reached the hermit's hut, the hermit was digging beds and wished the king. The king asked the question. The hermit did not answer. I took his spade and started digging. As I saw, the hermit was tired. I asked again, but he did not reply. As I was asking, a wounded man came, and then we dressed again. The next morning, I asked him again, and he replied that all the three questions have been automatically answered as the through the incident that happened with the wounded man.